How to create AOL Mail account. So let's get started. First of all, open up any web browser that you prefer and in the search URL type in AOL Mail. After that, navigate to this first link that says mail.aol.com or AOL Mail. Now you will get into sign in page. Now to create an account, click on this create an account button. After that, you will land on this sign up page. First of all, enter your full name, enter your first name, and then enter your last name. Under that, type in the new AOL mail. Under that, create a password and then enter your date of birth. After that, click on next button. Now in the next phase for your verification, you have to provide your phone number. So enter your phone number, then tap on send code. After that, you will receive a code in your mobile number. Go back and check in your mobile number. There you will have a code from AOL Mail. Type in that verification code, and after you're verified, you will be directly logged into your AOL Mail with the new account that you have created recently. So that's the way to create an account in AOL Mail, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.